Nature can be a simple add-on to a painting to convey a sense of depth or perspective. However, it can also be the main focus of work of art. Just like nature can be recreated through art, it can also be used as a stand-in for greater truth. Nature also, it gives us clean air, water, food, materials, and space for recreation.
Filipinos will do everything that they can to preserve our ecology, to preserve our forest land, to preserve our biodiversity.
Spending time in nature is good for our mental health. Nature also teaches us the importance of balance and harmony and how to appreciate the little things in life. We can learn to be more mindful of our surroundings and to appreciate the beauty of the world around us. Nature can generate many positive emotions such as calmness, joy, and creativity, and can facilitate concentration. Nature connectedness is also associated with lower levels of poor mental health, particularly lower depression and anxiety. Spending time in a green space or bringing nature into your everyday life can benefit both your mental and physical well-being.
I am Aramina Ambol.
I'm Joel Bingo. And I'm John Mark B. Sulis.
Hi, I'm Missy Alongo.
And I'm Narwin Canonigo.
Hi, I am Jacqueline Agapay.